My latest blog has garnished a few questions about joining. How do you join? The blog itself is what is joining, if that makes any sense. I've written out all the steps for you in this blog. So just go into the blog and read it. So right here for day 1 through 3, the basic concepts of the guideline, I let you know that here you can click and get a copy of the free guidelines that you can download that I have altered right here, so that when you put your notes in there, when you open up that, you just click on it and download it and open it up. You've got room to write in your notes on the side, which is super handy because the books don't always have that extra room. So I've scooted over the guidelines so that you can write more notes over here to the sides. If you've got my notes that you can purchase, it gives you more room to write the notes in, which is really nice. And yes, a copy of these guidelines is something that most certification exams let you bring. So that's part of that blog. I also give you links for your 1 to 3 days here of my YouTube videos where I do guideline by guideline prep, where I'm writing out each one of the guidelines and telling you how I make my notes. There's at least 5 videos here on this area right here for your 1 to 3 days, but I give you lots of tips here what to do on your first 1 to 3 days. Then we can move on to your 4 to 6 days of the month, which is working in anatomy and terminology. Of course, I give you another link here for your 4 to 6 days. This link is for more free information. It's for my book prep. The anatomy is here. All you got to do is click on the pictures and it'll give you the instructions on what to do with each picture and how I find my anatomy notes and how I make them in my books. So after you finish 4 to 6 days, you can move on to 7 to 10, then 11 to 14. I've got links, advice on most of these particular days. Each one of these prompts is another link where you can find information. Knowledge Center, CMS training, our free Discord. You can click here to join my next workshop, which is in May, for just compliance guidelines and E&M. When you do click that link, be sure to click on the 14th day, click the 2 p.m., and then you can click next to purchase your workshop. If you want to be able to watch this for the next 90 days, that link that you get after you purchase will let you replay the video for 90 days after it airs. There's tons of other reference material and links here for you guys, and I just hope this is super helpful. It's a really nice guide for 30 days. Breaks it up into 3-day increments of what to practice, what to look at each 3 days. Links that I've put in here for free advice on where to go to find information or what videos I have or information that I have that's for free for you guys. So I was just hoping that this 30-day little template would help you guys organize, okay, today I'm going to focus on this chapter and I'm going to work on this. You know, that was my point for this, and I hope it was super helpful. And let me know if you have questions or comments. I hope to see you guys tonight for my 2 hours free lessons on YouTube too. It's a great way to get a nice Q&A where you can ask me questions and I'll answer them the best of my ability. And it's all free. I hope to see you there.